How's it going, guys? Today I want to do a quick comparison of these three like mid-tier, mid-price category modules that are out there, very popular today. If you guys are looking at upgrading your kit and spending about 600 to 900, give or take 100 or whatever, right around there, these are going to be what you're looking at mainly. Outside of the ATV85 module that I don't have, I did try to get it, but yeah, they're really hard to get a hold of, and I've been trying for a long time now. So I don't know if I'll ever have that module, but besides that, these three modules are more or less what you're going to be deciding from. The only thing I want to say before we listen to the clips is that these aren't really comparing like the same type samples. It's not like, these are maple toms to maple toms or something like that. It's just more or less listen to it for the general sound characteristic, like the sonic profile. Like that's what I would say to listen to this more for, because there's a lot more samples in each of these modules. But yeah, that being said, let's check it out. All right, so pretty interesting, right? Just hearing them one after the other like that. I hope it helps some of you guys make your decision on which module you actually want to own for yourself. And as always, if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys very soon.